Hi, hello, namaste. Today we are representing you the SUV TATA Punch. Join me as I put the TATA Punch to the test and see if it really is the perfect city car for 2024. The TATA Punch has been making waves in the automotive world lately, and for good reason. As our cities continue to grow and urbanization becomes the norm, the need for a reliable and efficient city car has never been more pressing. That's why I'm excited to dive in and explore whether the TATA Punch really is the perfect city car for 2024. Let's face it, city driving can be a nightmare. From navigating through congested streets to squeezing into tight parking spots, it's a daily battle for most of us. Add to that the constant worry about fuel efficiency, and it's easy to see why city drivers are always on the lookout for a car that can tackle these challenges head-on. One of the biggest hurdles is parking. We've all been there, circling the block for what feels like an eternity, waiting for someone to vacate a spot. And even when you do find a spot, you're always wondering if you'll be able to squeeze in without scratching those pricey alloy wheels. Another major concern for city drivers is fuel efficiency. With rising gas prices and increasing awareness about our carbon footprint, it's no wonder we're always on the lookout for a car that can deliver on fuel economy. But it's not just about saving money, it's also about reducing our environmental impact. And let's not forget about maneuverability in traffic. We've all been stuck in rush hour traffic, crawling along at a snail's pace, and praying that the car in front of us doesn't suddenly slam on the brakes. But what if I told you there's a car that can tackle all of these challenges and more? A car that's specifically designed with city driving in mind, and is packed with features that make it the perfect companion for your daily commute. The TATA Punch is a tiny powerhouse of a car, with a compact size that makes it perfect for navigating narrow city streets. Under the hood, you'll find an efficient engine that delivers on fuel economy, without sacrificing on performance. And with advanced technology like rear parking sensors and a touchscreen infotainment system, you'll be navigating the city streets like a pro in no time. But what really sets the TATA Punch apart is its safety features. With a 5-star safety rating and a host of advanced safety features like ABS and EBD, you can drive with confidence, knowing that you and your passengers are protected in the event of an accident. And let's not forget about the comfort level. The Punch boasts a spacious interior, with ample legroom and headroom, making it the perfect car for daily commutes. So what really sets the TATA Punch apart from its competitors? For me, it's the sheer value for money that this car offers. You get a ton of features, excellent safety ratings, and great fuel economy, all at a price point that's hard to beat. And don't just take my word for it, I've spoken to several owners who rave about their experience with the Punch. One owner I spoke to told me that she was blown away by the car's maneuverability in tight spaces. She lives in a crowded city area, and the Punch has been a lifesaver for her. Another owner praised the car's fuel efficiency, saying that he's been getting an average of 20 kilometers per liter in heavy city traffic. So is the TATA Punch really the perfect city car for 2024? In my opinion, it's a strong contender. With its compact size, efficient engine, advanced safety features, and excellent value for money, it's a car that's hard to ignore. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that comment button below. I want to hear about your experiences with city cars, and what features you think are must-haves for navigating the urban jungle. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more automotive insights and reviews. I'll catch you in the next video.